What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JD back with another video, and today, as in the day that I'm recording this, not the day that you're watching this, but today was a not very special day for me. So today was the day that I've officially decided to stop trading. And now, what I mean by stop trading, I'm not actually going to stop trading, but I'm going to stop trading. So let me explain. Basically, I have three accounts that I use for my stock trading accounts. I have my big account, which is really my long-term account. I trade mostly stocks and equities in there. My second account is my options account. And then my third account is my small account. So those three accounts, I'm not going to be stopping all three of them. I'm going to be stopping my options trading account. Basically, with these past few days, I'm not going to say it's been rough. Or these past few months, or basically this past year, I'm not gonna say it was rough, but it was rough. I've been trading for probably like 3-4 years now. I've made more money than I can imagine. Options has really given me a different look on money and whatever, but this past few years, especially with the virus and the market fluctuation and stuff like that, I'm officially deciding to stop trading in that main options account. I've probably lost past couple of months, maybe a number that I'm not going to tell you. But it's all good though. Like most of that was mainly just profits that I've already made and I just kept trading with and whatever. But I'm definitely officially going to stop, especially for now. I've noticed that along with like school, me starting a new business, which is going to be another video. But school, me starting a new business, and just a whole bunch of other things that I've been trying to do. I just haven't really had the opportunity to trade as much as I wanted to. So I just decided to just take a break from it, stop it. It's been rough. I mean, these past few weeks, I would say, I've been losing more than I've made, but only because it's just like I don't have enough time to trade. So it's like I try to trade in the mornings, but then I have class at 9:30, so it's like market opens, I'm losing money. Or market moves, I'm gaining money, I can't close out profit because I'm in class or whatever, but all that doesn't matter. But officially, I'm going to be stopping today. Now, that doesn't mean I'm actually going to be fully taking a break from trading, but I kind of do want to restart my foundation, rebuild my foundation of trading. And I believe that I know a lot, but there's always more I can learn. So I'm going to be taking this next year, officially a year, probably not a year, but I'm going to be trying to take a year. Probably won't, but whatever. I'm taking this next year. To try to regain my skills, become a more confident trader, just do everything that's kind of needed to become a great trader. So I'm going to be switching over to my paper trading account, which basically is trading fake money. If you haven't watched my how to get into stock trading first video, which you should have, but whatever. But basically, I'm going to be switching over to my paper trading account, and I'm going to be starting myself with $1,000 in that account and seeing how much I can build up to within the next year or so. So that's officially going to start next week or whatever. But that's mainly the things that I'm going to be doing though. I mean, there's nothing against trading. I don't want y'all to think that just because I am stopping trading that this channel is still not going to be about entrepreneurship and trade. But this channel is more about just getting into the stock market. It's about entrepreneurship. So I definitely want to start showing y'all what I'm doing with my business and everything like that. We officially just got our business license or whatever. So that's a really important thing that I really need to start focusing on, especially with school being super tough and super hard and everything like that. So that's really the video. It's just to tell y'all that I'm going to be stopping trading, why I'm going to be stopping trading, and that I'm going to be starting a new challenge basically. Now this challenge is basically starting from $1,000 and just seeing how much I can build in the next year or whatever. So I'm going to make sure I keep y'all updated probably every month or every week or whatever. So y'all can know how much I'm making, how I'm doing, how things are going and everything like that. Probably taking a lot more risk on this account. Probably going to restart it a bunch of times, but that's besides the point. Other than that, make sure you go watch all my videos have been super important. All my videos has been spot on the nail, whatever. Alright, but that's really it for the video. So make sure you go watch a couple of my last videos, especially my last two how to get into stock trading videos. Those are great videos. It's kind of weird because I'm stopping stock trading, but then I'm telling y'all how to get into stock trading. But yeah, that's besides the point. Alright, that's really it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss another video. I'm the real JD, and I'm out of here.